In this video, you'll learn how to change your phone number on eBay. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully updated your contact information to ensure that you receive important alerts and notifications. Begin by navigating to the eBay website. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login screen where you will enter your account credentials. After entering your username and password, click the sign in button to access your account. Once you are logged in, find the account settings option. This is typically located in the drop-down menu under your profile icon, which also appears in the upper right corner. After clicking on account settings, look for the personal information section within the menu on the left side of the screen. Here you will see your registered phone number displayed along with other personal details. Confirm that the displayed phone number is the one you wish to change. It is important to ensure that you have access to the new phone number you intend to use. Next, locate the Edit button number field. Clicking this button will allow you to enter your new phone number accurately. Make sure to include the correct country code, as this is crucial for verification. After entering your new phone number, you will need to verify it. eBay will send a one-time password or OTP to the new number. Check your phone for the OTP message and enter the code in the verification field provided on the website. Double-check your entry for any typing mistakes to avoid issues with verification. Once you have successfully verified your new phone number, look for the Save button to update your information. After you click Save, a notification should appear confirming that your phone number has been updated successfully. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to test the login verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Additionally, remember to remove your old number from any recovery options to maintain updated contact information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.